Hello, this is J.V. Ingle from Tech Expert Engineering Private Limited, which is a consulting group company. We started this company in 1998 and it is almost 18 years completed. We have our core activity in the surface coating equipment. So we manufacture all kind of painting systems, powder coating plants, shot blasting machines, systems for plastic finishing and wood finishing also. We were thinking that we want to diversify our activity into some very innovative product which can cater to the Indian industry. So taking this concept in my mind, I visited Hanover Messe in 2016 in the month of April along with Crescendo team. Crescendo, they have promoted me while organizing a potential joint venture partner for getting me good company in various areas. Finally, I met Gibinios in Hanover. I met Mr. Michael Patry, who were representing Gibinios in the Hanover exhibition in the April 2016. Crescendo Worldwide, they organized a meeting with Gibinios for nano coating technology. I was really impressed to have such a great technology, and I thought, yes, probably this is the best product which we can promote in India. We visited exhibition for various purposes, but when I was returning to India after the exhibition, it was a very happy moment. I really appreciate Crescendo. They have given me very good product and very good company, and it was a beginning. After that, we had many more discussions in between Gibinios and Tech Expert team, and also Gibinios, they requested us to visit their factory in Germany, Thuringia. So we planned our factory visit to Gibinios in the month of September, first week 2016. We visited Gibinios in Thuringia. It was a very beautiful place. Tech Expert team, very impressed with their facilities and the way they execute this nanotechnology surfaces on the various surfaces like plastic, metal and glass. After our visit from Germany, when we came back to India, we have also given invitation. We have requested Mr. Michael and Gibinios team to visit India, so we can go to the next level of product presentation and our basic techno-commercial activities for the venturing in this new business in India. So Mr. Michael, who is the managing director of Gibinios, and along with their German delegation from Thuringen state, they visited India in the month of September 23rd. We have organized a very good product presentation for promoting these nano coating products. There are various products Gibinios have. So some of the products we decided to present in the industry people. So Tech Expert team, they have organized a very beautiful seminar in the month of September at Hotel 4 Point Sheraton in Pune. It was a very successful event, and I can say that about more than 80 to 90 various industry people from different areas. Some of the areas from automotive, some of the people from uh, from pharma, food, and some of the plastic manufacturers, where our antimicrobial coating is very essential, uh, very good product for the industries. After the uh, our seminar, after the product presentation, we also ventured. We have signed a contract in between. It is a cooperation contract. We have signed with GB Neos, and Michael was representing me, and Michael and their German delegates, along with our industry minister, Mr. Subhas Desai. We jointly, in front of them, along with them, we signed the contract, and finally we get into the driving mode to promote nano coating products in India. I am very happy because all this could happen because of Crescendo team. They have promoted, they have supported me like anything right from the beginning. Even though I should appreciate everybody right from the beginning to this end, when we are now at the stage where everybody can say yes, now this venture can go in a long way. Crescendo worldwide, they have also supported to get into the these two companies from the beginning, from the handover to this September 2016, where when we signed the cooperation contract. I am really very much thankful for everybody, for especially for Crescendo. I would like to also add our future plans for this nano coating technology products, especially developed since last 25 years by GB Neos. We have started after in this month September, October, we have started promoting this product in India. We visited, tech expert team visited some of the potential customers, and we are very excited that this is a very good demand. We visited at least 4 to 5 switchboard manufacturers, and the doorknobs for metal doorknobs. We have asked them to submit their samples. We are sending those samples to the laboratory for coating to the GB Neos, Germany, and we are now focusing to create a powerful team, to create a very good team, that we can definitely take these very good products all over India, even in the Asian countries in the near future. I really I want to express my sincere thanks. First of all, I thank you for Michael Patry and GB Neos team. Finally, I would like to express my thanks everybody. Especially I can call Michael Patry, who is the managing director of GB Neos, who has gave me very good opportunity, and I really thank you, Michael, for treating me as his potential partner in India. Also, I want to thank Crescendo, especially Crescendo team. Especially I can call Vishal Jadhav, he is the president of Crescendo worldwide. Mr. Bharat Kulkarni, who is the director of Crescendo, Mr. Saket Pujari, and their team. I really thank you for our industry minister, Mr. Subhas Desai, who was very present during our signing of the contract. I also thank Thirunga delegation who were present during this occasion. I also thank my tech expert team who really supported me to promote and come up to accept the real challenge in the coming future. So I'm really expecting so many things out of this cooperation. This venture will go in a long way, and it will have very great and bright future. Tech Expert and GB News are going to promote this nano coating technology product in India. These products are very unique because, as I said, antimicrobial coating is one such product where this growth of bacteria can be restricted, transformation can be prohibited. So actually this is a social cause. Definitely we would like to promote this very unique product in India. I also want to add that this is also a mission of Make in India. Our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, he has promoted Make in India. This is a small opportunity for both of companies, for Tech Expert as well as GB News, to support and promote our activities under Make in India. And this is our small effort, this is small opportunity for us to support our Prime Minister's mission Make in India. Thank you, my friends.